Girl, prepare yourself because the tea is coming in hot today. What is up, you guys? For today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different on my channel, and in my last video, we were probably reviewing the most hype palette of 2019, which is the Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in collaboration with Dawson here on YouTube. And when I was doing that video, I was like, girl, this kind of reminds me of another palette in my collection. Like, it wasn't giving me like full-on like dupe kind of vibes, but it was kind of like, this seemed a little bit similar. And it completely hit me like that, and that was the Alien palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I thought it'd be really fun today if we did a look using one palette for one eye and one palette for the other. Can you guys tell the difference between which one is which? I'll get up close so you guys can really get like the full-on view. But yeah, so let me know, which side do you think is which? Do you think that this side's a Conspiracy palette or this side is? I would love to hear your guesses, and also let me know if you're right after you watch the video. So here are the palettes next to each other, and as you can see, there is some differences as well as some similarities between some of the shadows. And later on in the video, I will be doing some comparison swatches with the shadows that we used today. However, before we jump into today's video, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a like. And also, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram account is @lethal_kitten. So before we jump into using these palettes, I do want to prime my eyelids first because you know what? We want to give them a good base. And today we are going to be using none other than my absolute favorite, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And what I'm going to do is just put a pea-sized amount on the back of my hand. You really don't need all that much with this one. You just need about like that much for both eyes. And then I'm going to take this Luxie 209 large shader brush and start fluffing it onto my eye. So in my last video, we were reviewing the Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in collaboration with Dawson here on YouTube. And again, I just want to say congrats to Shane on this palette. Seriously, it is so beautiful, and I had so much fun using it in my last video. And if you'd like to see that review, I'll have it linked in the description box down below for you. But when I was doing that video, I was like, girl, this kind of reminds me of another palette in my collection. It was giving me like a throwback in a way. And turns out that was kind of giving me the vibe of the Alien palette, which I also have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I thought it would be really fun if we did like one eye using the Conspiracy palette and the other eye using the Alien palette, because in that video I held these palettes up next to each other and there was a lot of shades that kind of gave a similar vibe. I mean, like, the palettes aren't like identical by no means, but there are a couple of shades that kind of, you know, look similar. So I really want to see if we can get a similar look using both of the palettes today. So on this side of my face right here, or my good side I like to call it, I am going to be using the Conspiracy palette because honestly, I want to give it the attention it deserves because it is such a beautiful and stunning palette. And on the other side of my face, or this side right here, we are going to be using the Alien palette. So I'm going to quit my rambling and we're going to jump into this video. And the first shade that we are going to be using is of course out of the Conspiracy palette, and that is called Food Videos, which is this matte kind of like neon yellowy green. And using a Sigma E35, I'm going to be applying this directly into my crease, as well as into my outer V, doing little circular motions to blend that upwards towards my brow. We are going to be doing a super smoky look today, so you want to really bring out that shadow pretty far. So I'm just going to do a second layer just to build up the shadow just a little bit. And in my last video, I accidentally called this Food Vibes, and you guys were like, girl, why'd you call it that? It's Food Videos. And I don't know what it is, I accidentally misread it, because some of like the text on some of the shadow names, it's just like so close together, it kind of looks like other words. I don't know if you guys get like that too. But it kind of gave me like food vibes, and I was like, oh, that makes sense. But apparently I was wrong. So once you have that applied, the next shade that we are going to be going in with is out of the Alien palette, and that is called Abduction. And then using a different Sigma E35, I'm just going to be applying this directly into my crease and doing the exact same thing, so I'm really smoking this outwards. And I'm also using it to round out my outer V. And I'm just going to do a second layer just for good measure and just to really build up that color. But as you can see, the side with Conspiracy is just a little bit more yellow, and this side is just a tad more green. So looking at both of my eyes, I can definitely see that this one's a little bit more yellow and this side's a little bit more green, but I do feel like the tone is very similar. However, we are going to be jumping into another shade out of the Conspiracy palette, which is Tanakan. And then using this Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, I'm going to be applying this into my crease and also using it to round out my outer V. And this shade is going to help us get a little bit more definition with this look. And again, I'm just going to build it up just a little bit, just so we have that extra definition. So the next shade that we are going to be using out of the Alien palette is actually one of my all-time favorites out of this one, and that one is called Gravity. And then using a different Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, I'm just going to be applying this directly into my crease. I'm trying to use the exact same brush because I do have brushes that are like identical, and I want to make sure that I'm doing that because I really want to see like how they even blend different. But so far the formulas are very, very similar, if not identical. And then again, I'm just going to do a second layer just to really get things all nice and defined because your girl loves a defined look. But as you can see, like once we added this color, they are starting to get a little bit more similar. I can definitely see this one's a little bit more yellow and this one just has like a hint of green to it. I'm torn which shade I want to go in with next because part of me wants to go in with Spiraling just because it's such a beautiful brown. But then the other part of me is like, no, 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 go in with the matte black because it's matte. But man, sometimes matte black is really hard to blend out. So I think we're going to go in with Spiraling first. So using the Sigma E45 tapered blending brush, I'm going to be applying this into my crease as well as into my outer V. I'm hoping since I'm using a fluffy brush that it kind of knocks off some of that shimmer and makes it more of like a satin, if not a matte finish. But wow, I really love these colors together though. They're really pretty. They almost have like that like grungy kind of like Gemini feel. If you have the Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette or you like the color story of that, it's kind of reminding me of that in a way. And I'm just going to take a little bit of Tannicon and just kind of like fluff out the edges just to get a really, really nice blend. But like part of me is like, I really need to revisit this like color combination because it's so pretty. I can definitely see myself using it again. So once you have that applied and blended out, the next shade that we are going to be going in with out of the Alien palette is called Space Cowboy. I will say this one's a little bit more of like that chocolatey brown, you know, like with a little bit of warmth compared to Spiraling, but I do feel like they're going to be a little bit similar when applied to the eye. Then using a different Sigma E45 tapered blending brush, I'm going to be applying this exactly in the same spot. So I don't know if you guys can see this as well as I do in person, but on this side you can see it's a little bit more of like that warm brown, whereas on this side that we just applied Space Cowboy, it almost has like a deeper green or like even like a little bit of a gray undertone to it. I was not expecting that on this side because in the pan, you know, Space Cowboy has that really like rich chocolatey brown undertone to it, but when it's applied, it kind of gave me like a little bit of an emerald green. Just because, you know, it's like mixing in with the greens and whatnot, but it definitely gave me an unexpected situation. Low-key though, I am really shook with how similar these are so far. I mean, like, yeah, there is a little bit of a difference. You know, this side's a little bit more yellow and this side's a little bit more green. But other than that, like, I could probably wear this out in public and nobody would know a difference. The next shade that we are going to be going in with is the most beautiful matte black shade, and that is called My Rides Here. And then using that same Sigma E45 that we used for Spiraling, and girl, I am keeping my brushes separate, so don't worry about that. But I'm just going to be applying this really, really lightly into my crease as well as into my outer V. I'm also using it to kind of round out this inner corner as well since we are going to be doing a halo eye. And then to match things up on the other side, we are going to be going in with Black Hole out of the Alien palette. And then using that Sigma E45 that we used on the Alien side, I'm going to be applying this in the crease. So here's where I'm at right now with the look, and I feel like I could wear this out in public and nobody would know that I'm wearing two different eyeshadow palettes. Do you feel like if you saw me in the store that you could tell? You know, like when you're not like binocular style and you're not like super up close to somebody and you're just like kind of from a distance? I feel like you wouldn't tell. But I will say, like, when I look in my mirror, I can tell the side with the Conspiracy palette over in here has a little bit more of like a yellow undertone to it, whereas the side with the Alien palette over here, it has like a little bit more of like a green and almost like an emerald undertone to it. So it's kind of cool to see like the little differences between the two, but nonetheless, I think they're fairly similar. Off camera, I am going to do a halo kind of cut crease style, and then I'll be right back. So here's where I'm at right now after cutting the crease, and the base is 100% dry, and the next shade that we are going to be going in with out of the Conspiracy palette is one of my favorites, and that one is called Illuminati. And then using a Sigma E55, I'm just going to be packing this on the outer kind of like third edge of my lid. So what I'm trying to do is trying to make it a little bit better of a blend between this base that we have for the halo effect and this like deeper area that we have in the outer V. So you kind of want this to transition between the two. And then I'm also going to do the exact same thing in the inner third of my lid. And you just want to make sure that you are keeping a little bit of a gap in between these colors, just because we are going to be adding another color there later. And you probably guessed it, the shade that we are going to be using out of the Alien palette is one of my favorites in this palette, and that one is called Probe. Then using a different Sigma E55, we're going to be doing the exact same thing with this shadow. And then as well as in the inner third of my lid. So once you have that applied, the next shade that we are going to be going in with is one that I'm so excited to use, and that one is called Conspiracy. I wanted to use this in my first tutorial, but I decided not to, so I'm so excited we get to use it today. Then using a flat shader brush, we are going to be applying this directly in the center of our halo eye. Wow, that color is so pretty. I am obsessed with that. That is stunning. I really wish I would have used it now in my first tutorial. I'll definitely have to use it again because that shade is so gorgeous. It's kind of like an earthy, almost like lime green in a way, but it also has like a little bit of like a gray undertone. It's a very unique green. So to get something very similar to Conspiracy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix Moonrock right here and then Interstellar, and I'm doing like a 1-to-1 ratio. And then using a little flat shader brush, I'm just going to be applying this to the center of my lid, just like we did on the other side. When I decided to mix those two colors together, I was actually afraid that it was going to be a little too dark and it would just look a little off compared to the Conspiracy palette side of my face, but actually it looks really nice. I will say though, Conspiracy is a little bit more of a lighter green, and the side that we have, the Alien palette, is a little bit more gold, but I mean, when you start looking at it, I don't see too much of a difference, which is actually pretty cool. So looking in the mirror right next to me, what's kind of throwing me off is that center lid shade that we used for the halo effect, but other than that, I feel like they're very close. Like, dang, I was not expecting this whatsoever. But off camera, I am just going to apply my complexion products as well as some liner and some lashes, and then I'll be right back. So here's where I'm at right now after doing my complexion products as well as some liner and some lashes, and now we're going to start working on the lower lash line. And before we jump into using the Conspiracy palette, I am going to line my waterline using the Dark Side liner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to run this on my waterline and bring it down just a little bit, because we are going to be smoking it out. And then before that liner sets, I'm just going to take a little bit of Tanacon in Food Videos in a 1-to-1 ratio on this Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. And then I'm just going to use these in a back and forth motion just to smoke down the lower lash line as well as to set it. Why I mix the two is because I want like a little bit of like an olive undertone. I feel like it'd be really pretty with the top portion of our eyes, and just to get a really nice balance. Because I was just going to use Tanacon, but I feel like this is just going to give it that extra kind of pizzazz. And then for the Alien side, I'm just going to mix a little bit of Abduction with a little bit of Gravity on this Morphe M507 brush. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing on this side of my eye. I can tell I'm not used to doing this on camera, this eye. I'm always used to doing the other one because I'm like, where's my mirror? I need to start doing it. And again, I'm using my Jeffree mirror. I love this mirror. It's so cute, and I'm so happy I got it in my mystery box. Originally, I did plan on using Ranch and Pluto for the inner corners, but honestly, I don't feel like they're similar enough to be able to use for this type of look. So instead, we are going to be using one of my all-time favorite highlighters, and that is from ColourPop in the shade Horse and Carriage. If you're into champagne highlighters and you have fair skin, I highly recommend checking this one out. I mean, like, look at how beautiful it is. It is so stunning on the face, too. I have it on right here today. With my Luxie pencil brush, I'm just going to be packing this in the inner corner, as well as bringing it underneath the inner tear duct area to open up the eye. But yeah, so here's the finished look using the Conspiracy palette on one side of my face and the Alien palette on the other. And like, truly, I am shook. Like, I am looking at myself in my viewfinder right now and the mirror next to me, and I don't really see all that much of a difference. I mean, like, if you get like real up close and in my business, you can tell a difference if you're really looking for it. Like the Conspiracy palette side on this side, you can tell it's a little bit more yellow and the lid shade has a little bit more green to it. Whereas on the side with the Alien palette, you can see it has like a little bit more of a green undertone and the lid shade is a little bit more gold. But other than that, I don't really see all that much of a difference. I feel like I could go in public and nobody would tell that I'm wearing two different eyeshadow palettes, but I could be wrong. I'll probably notice that when I do the footage of this and like edit it and whatnot, but so far, I think it looks pretty similar. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this whole like thing that we did today, and let me know which side you prefer, if you can tell a difference between the two, or let me know if you think I'm wrong. Like, if you're like, girl, why would you even do this video? It doesn't make any sense. I can definitely see a difference. Like, I would love to hear any thought that you have, because I think it's actually kind of cool and really fun to try out these types of videos. I'm not used to doing them, but I would really like to do them in the future if you guys like them too. However, before we sign off on this video, I do want to do some comparison swatches with you guys, comparing the shades that we used today between the two palettes. Tanacon, Gravity. And then here's Tanacon, and then here's Gravity. Food Videos, Abduction. Food Videos, Abduction. Spiraling, Space Cowboy. Spiraling, Space Cowboy. Illuminati, Probe. Illuminati, Probe. My ride's here, Black Hole. My ride's here, Black Hole. Conspiracy, Moonrock, Interstellar. Conspiracy, Moonrock, Interstellar. But yeah, so if you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button down below and gave this video a like. And also, if you'd like to check me out on Instagram, my Instagram account is @lethal_kitten. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!